Today we had some of the best sports shooters in Australia out to Sydney Olympic Park to try out the A9 and our G Master lenses.
Sony's been incredibly generous today with their time and equipment and just made it a really fun event. Lots of great opportunities to put the cameras through their paces.
I'm looking forward to trying out a lighter set today.
Came over here to trial the Sony A9 and I'm happily surprised. I think the autofocus on it is pretty incredible, the way it tracked.
Was able to track this player going in and out like crazy and got like 30 frames all sharp and focused. Probably what drew me to Sony was the 20 frames per second and that blackout, no blackout, that's massive.
Really looking forward to shooting with a long lens. I shoot basketball a lot of the time, so getting outdoors and using a 400 or a 600 should be cool.
I love how it's fully customizable. I mean, straight away I took off the noise and I was able to see and change some of the buttons around.
Really loving the ergonomics, feels lovely in the hands. I've noticed it's been a lot easier on my shoulders and my back, just the less weight to carry around.
Slightly surprised with the quality of the glass. The 100-400 is pretty amazing and the 2-6.
Today's been awesome. The guys have really loved shooting on the A9 Mark II. The autofocus has been a big star. We've also been showing off a lot of the connectivity on the cameras, showing how you can really quickly get those shots from the camera out to share with your editor and with the world.
I've loved the day. Thanks to Sony for putting it on. I think it's a great format to be able to come and trial other gear that you're not used to and see what's out there and learn from other photographers, see what they're doing, and a great learning day as well.
Seeing how Sony just can keep up with everything, and even when I think I haven't gotten it, I've actually gotten the photo and it's pretty sharp.